Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make Ukrainian cough suppressant homemade remedy. It's very easy and it works very well. You're not gonna take your kids to a hospital. Just put it overnight and yeah, let's begin. So all you need to do is 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of any oil. I used olive oil, then hot mustard and honey. So first you mix honey and mustard, and then you add 1 tablespoon of flour, and then add uh, 2 more. There's left a little bit on mine because it's gonna look like a dough. It should look like a dough. After you add all the flour, you gotta add 1 tablespoon of oil. So you will see the texture. It's gonna be like a Play-Doh, and so with this, what you need to do with this, you put it on some kind of like a tissue. Not a paper, no. It will be like a better material because the tissue paper will rip. So you put it like that. You spread it around. Yeah. Little baby's chest would this would be enough already. For a bigger person, I would make it bigger. For you can put it on the back between the shoulder blades or on the front. If it's a little infant, I would put a little bit less mustard, or just put it during a day nap time, not overnight, because it might. I don't want the baby get burned by hot mustard. So you cover it. I cut this material from cheesecloth. I bought it from Walmart. So you cover that like this. Here's that patch, and you put it on someone's chest, and you gotta wrap it around with something. You can use the rolled gauzes, but they're not stretchy enough, so it will fall off. And I cut a piece of material that I had. It's stretchy, and I wrapped it around her chest, and it took me 2 days to get rid of a really acute, like bronchitis, COVID like cough on my daughter. She's 1 year old. So try it out before you take your kids, and or take yourself to emergency. This works, and just, yeah, good luck and God bless.